Good morning, class. Welcome to your final day of your Still Life unit. Today we have three things to complete. You first need to do your entrance ticket. Then you're going to submit your most current and up-to-date image of your project to the Still Life final project assignment for 100 points. And then lastly, you're going to complete your Still Life learning log, which is a kind of like a final assessment, kind of a test, but not really, just to earn an extra 28 points for the unit. And that will conclude this unit before we move on to the next unit, next class. So with that said, just complete your entrance ticket as usual and answer the two questions: what is space and how can the proper use of space help grab the viewer's attention? Please refer to the day one PowerPoint as always. After you've done that and gotten your easy 2 points, just submit your final project to the assignment thread below for 100 points. Please make sure it is your most recent, up-to-date, highest level of detail. You just make sure you really took your time and tried your best. And then lastly, you have your learning log. You do have a video under step 3 to watch the how to complete a learning log video. Please watch that. It'll show you exactly how to download it. It's basically a video of my screen on my iPad. It shows how to download, how to complete it, and how to submit it. And in that video, it talks about completing all 3 sections of the learning log. Please make sure you do that. I still have some students who will forget a section for some reason. Make sure you have all 3 sections. You have the vocabulary section. And please use the day one PowerPoint for help with that. Everyone should be getting 8 out of 8 in the vocab. Then your artist statement, where you just talk about your work, and who best to talk about your work than you, the artist. And lastly, just answer your essential question, which is at the top here. It says, how do artists create work that is pleasing and demands viewer attention? We've been talking about this each day in class. At this point, you guys should be pretty, knowledgeable of how to answer that question. So please make sure you do all those sections and submit everything today. I look forward to seeing all your final projects, and please let me know if you need anything at all. Okay, bye everyone.